Okay, one more thing before we start working several examples to see if we have the idea. We need to make sure that we understand when we can distribute and when we cannot, because that's something that's going to make a huge difference as we go through simplifying these expressions. I have two problems here where I'm multiplying in parentheses. So it would look at the surface as if these are both distribution problems because we have parentheses. But that is not the case. Here in this first one, we have negative 3 times 21 times z. So that literally says negative 3 times 21 times z. This is all just multiplication here. If we were to do this order of operations, then we would say, okay, we need to multiply our numbers together because the letter, we don't know what to do with that. So this would be negative 63 times z, which is negative 63z. Okay, but down here, we're multiplying negative 4 to two different terms. Inside this parenthesis, there are terms within that parenthesis. So I would have to make sure and multiply the negative 4 to both of those terms. Inside the parentheses here, we just have one term. This would be negative 4 times y would be negative 4y, and negative 4 times negative 7 would be positive 28. And then we cannot do anything further because these are not like terms. Okay, now looking at these two original problems here, can we come up with sort of a general rule that will help us to understand when we multiply and when we distribute? Did you notice that here we're multiplying to one term? Here we're multiplying to two terms. So we will use distribution when multiplying to more than one term. That's the key that we have to understand.